Hello guys, welcome to Design Talk. Today we create this type of shop poster and convert it into motion graphic. Add background color of your poster. Now add text. Adjust and align your text. Now duplicate the text and then go to the effects. Select this hollow style in effects and hit apply. Now adjust the thickness of your text stroke. Now make a 2-3 copies of your text. Just press your Alt key and drag your text, it will make duplicate of your text. Adjust and align your text. Adjust the transparency of your texts. Now create a new page and upload an image. Now remove the background of your image. And also add this backdrop shadow in your image. Adjust the shadow transparency and blur according to yourself. Now drag and drop this image to your main page. Now go to Elements and search for Blur.